This 2025 Grand Design Imagine AIM 16 megaliters is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Indianapolis, Indiana 46203 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Indianapolis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.